Okay, guys. Good morning. Oh, why am I greeting good morning? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you're watching this. So it's the next day and the first activity. We are going down for breakfast. Then after breakfast, we'll be going to Ocean Park. Yeah. So I'm going to take you guys along. So let's go and eat first. Then next we're going out. So see you guys downstairs. I don't know if I'll be able to film when I get to the restaurant, but anyways, bye for now. I'm the one who got away, yes. You're no. I'm the one who got away, yes. I'm the one who got away, yes. Okay, guys, so this is what the room looks like. There's this small space. I don't know what's for. Then there's this working table. You can just put your laptop there and do your work. There's this other table by the side. Maybe you want to sip your wine and all that. Then the bed is so soft. What I mean so soft. This bed is so soft and comfy. Like it's so comfortable. The place is so nice. Then you can see the place is cool. Like the color, the settings, oh my god, and the view is mad. When I mean is mad. Then there's this cabinet with mirror. Feel yourself, admire yourself as you like the place is just so nice. Then the view is divine. When I mean divine, you see the view. So there's this chair where you can sit down and enjoy the view. Can you see? see this. Goodness. Yep, so this is the view from our balcony.